Hello, my name is Greg Campbell, and I'm back to tell you about another exciting feature of our new program called Realm. Today, I want to touch on how easily and efficiently Realm will handle your donations to St. Mark Lutheran Church, and how great it is to be able to have access to them anytime, anywhere. In the past, when you put your donation in the offering plate, a group of counters would get together days later and sort everything out, separate the checks from the cash, figure out how much goes to each fund, record that all to a spreadsheet, make up a deposit, and then go to the bank. After that, the bookkeeper would take all that information and enter it into the bookkeeping system so that reports can be presented to leadership and the congregation during the quarterly voters meetings. Now let me assure you that if you prefer to make your donation via check by dropping it into the offering plate, that will always happen each week. I am not here to force anyone to go to the online method of donating. Whether you give online or in the more traditional manner, Realm will track and give you access to all your donations. As a matter of fact, if you are one who has already accepted the invite and have access to your account, go to the left side of your screen and click on Giving. There you will see all the donations you have given to the church for the current year. The system has been loaded with all your gifts since 2015. If you want to see previous periods, click on the filter button. It's the one that looks like a funnel, and set the dates to whatever you would like. For example, I will set a custom range from January 1st, 2018 to December 31st, 2018. I can either manually input the date or click on the calendar icon and scroll to the date I want and click on it. Then I will click on the filter button to apply this filter, and voila! There are all my donations. Even more exciting, I can click on the printer icon and print out my giving statement. I do not have to wait for it to come to me from the church. This feature is available to all who use the Realm system. Now, as the chairman of the Board of Stewardship, one of my charged tasks is to see to it that the church uses wise stewardship in all that it does. You may not realize this, but once every quarter, a group of volunteers gets together to print out giving statements, stuff them in an envelope, seal, and put a first-class stamp on each of them. The cost of the paper, envelopes, and stamps to send out approximately 250 of these statements is about $150, and it takes approximately 6 to 8 volunteer hours to do the work. That means the church spends about $600 and 25 to 30 hours of volunteer time per year that could go to some other ministry. If you do want to give online, you will need to set up a payment method found by clicking on the link Manage Payment Methods. As you can see, I have already set up a credit card to make donations. I can always add payment methods using a checking or savings account or a debit card. Once this is set up, giving online is easy. I will show you how it can be done using the mobile app. First, you click on the Realm Connect app that you can download from the App Store or Google Play. At the bottom of the screen, touch the Giving icon. Once again, you will see the list of donations made by the Campbell family. By the way, both my wife and I have the app on our phones with our own login information, but we can see all the donations given on our separate profiles because Realm has us linked in its system. At the top of the screen, there is a banner that says Make a Gift. After you touch that, you will be directed to a page where you can donate. I touch on the amount field and type in the amount. Here I will put in $10. Then I choose the fund I want my donation to go towards. Here I will choose missions. I can choose to make this a one-time gift or a recurring gift. I can then choose the date or leave it at the default, which is today. I then click Continue. The system gives me a choice of whether to use a credit or debit card or have the funds withdrawn from my savings or checking bank account. The Realm system uses the highest level of security and is safe as ordering from Amazon. Please know that if you are one who would rather not use a system such as Realm, we will still provide all that we have in the past, but I encourage you to try it out. I'll be talking about other features in weeks to come. Thanks for listening.